Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Most Android users think the Play Store is just where you download apps, but that's only part of the story. Behind the scenes, the Play Store is constantly checking for updates, scanning apps, collecting usage information, and managing everything you've ever installed. Over time, all of this background activity can contribute to battery drain, use system resources, and make your phone feel slower than it did when it was new. Today, I'll show you a few Play Store settings that are worth checking. We'll disable some unnecessary features, clean up the Play Store, and at the end of the video, I'll show you a hidden section where Google keeps a list of every app you've ever installed with your account. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store, tap your profile picture in the top right corner, then go to Settings, then open General, then look for App Install Optimization. If this feature is enabled, turn it off. This setting allows Google Play to collect information about how you use newly installed apps so it can optimize future installations. While it's designed to improve the installation experience, many users prefer to disable it for additional privacy and to reduce background activity. Next, let's clean up the Play Store itself. Go back to your home screen, press and hold the Play Store icon, then tap App Info. Open Storage and Cache, then tap Clear Cache. This won't delete your apps or your account. It simply removes temporary files that build up over time and may help the Play Store run more smoothly. Now let's look at one of the biggest sources of background activity. Open the Play Store again. Tap your profile picture, then go to Settings. Open Network Preferences, then tap Auto Update Apps. You'll have four options. If you don't want apps updating automatically in the background, choose Don't Auto Update Apps. Or if you still want automatic updates but only when connected to Wi-Fi, choose Over Wi-Fi Only. Keep in mind that disabling automatic updates means you'll need to update your apps manually from time to time. A good habit is checking once every few weeks or once a month. To update them manually, open the Play Store, tap your profile picture, choose Manage Apps and Device, then tap Updates Available, and finally tap Update All. This gives you more control over when updates happen instead of letting them run at random times. Next, let's check another Play Store feature. Go back to Manage Apps and Device again. Tap Play Protect, then tap the gear icon in the top right corner. You'll see two options. The first is Scan Apps with Play Protect. I recommend leaving this enabled since it helps detect known malicious apps before they can cause problems. The second option is Improve Harmful App Detection. This setting allows Google to collect additional information about apps on your device to improve malware detection. If you prefer to reduce data sharing and background activity, you can turn this option off while still keeping Play Protect's basic scanning enabled. Now for the hidden feature, go back to Manage Apps and Devices screen. Open the Manage tab. At the top, tap this device, then change it to Not Installed. Here you'll see a list of apps you've previously downloaded using your Google account, even if they're no longer on your phone. This list doesn't mean those apps are taking up storage on your device. It's simply your download history. If you ever need an app again, you can reinstall it directly from this list. Or, if you want a little more privacy, you can remove apps from the history. Simply select the apps you want to remove, tap the delete icon, and confirm. The Play Store does much more than install apps. By reviewing these settings, you can reduce unnecessary background activity, keep the Play Store running smoothly, and have more control over your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android tips, privacy guides, and hidden settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.